YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make slime with only glue. No activator and nothing like anything else, just glue. So I'm just going to get my glue. We're back. I'm not using Elmer's. You don't have to use Elmer's. You can use any glue. Wood glue, you can use any type of glue. Even you can use super glue. No, I'm just playing. Don't use super glue, that's bad. Okay, so here I have my play school glue. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna make sure you get washable. Washable is the best, because for the project that we're doing to make slime, it's the best. So this might be a success or a big fail. So yeah, all you want to do is twist it and put it all over you. I feel like people have done this before, so you don't want to put too much. So now you're gonna rub it. Now I think people have done this, but they haven't made slime with it. So yeah. I didn't test this out, so this might be a big fail. Now you have to wait for it to dry. My camera's low, so I don't want to pause it. At this moment, she knows she messed up. Ow! Ow!
Light up your holidays with the first sneaker
I'm
the
gonna
season for Ruminators by Skechers. With just a touch, the entire sneaker lights up. 7 amazing colors and 4 different heights. It's even rechargeable. Ruminators, only from Skechers. New evil has taken over Swellview.
They've been fighting some secret team of bad guys without knowing.
Now, discover who's behind it all in a television event so action-packed, so epic. Just got tickled. So life-changing, we have to tell it in 3 parts.
Oh my god.
Your super fast reflux is gone. The Henry Nature 3-part television event begins with a new evil. Starting at 8.
And when I pause my camera, it makes my my battery go low, so it's already on. It's only on 20, so when I pause it, it goes like 15 down. So
It's go time! Tonight's game night in the Loud House. Sounds fun, right? Not when you have a sister like Lynn. Yo, twin! Hope you read the menu, because you're about to get served! It's not that the rest of us don't like playing games. Heck, we don't even care that Lynn wins every time. It's just she's
so boring.
not exactly a good winner. Oh, yeah, baby! Winner, chicken dinner! I thought we were having salmon. And if you think that's bad, last week she waited till everyone fell asleep and then wrote loser on their foreheads. Fortunately, I got out of that one. Hey, I was just wondering, do you guys know any good therapists? Well, Clyde recommends to help you deal with your loss today. Okay, guys, what'll it be tonight? Good choice, Lily. Go fish it is. Lynn, do you possess any feathers? Hope you got gas in your boat. Pardon? I have no aquatic vehicles. We're going fishing! Lori, you seemed pretty interested in deuces last round. Got any? Boom! Welcome to Loser Town! Population!
I think now it's time for the moment. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a side. You're gonna you wanna take a piece like it when it's dry all the way to the edges. You wanna take a piece from it on the bottom so it doesn't hurt when you do it. You're gonna peel.
To try a game that isn't on the shelf, something that Lynn doesn't know, something that one of us is really good at.
I think I might have just
Okay, it's not dry. That's what I learned.
Pretty pageant, Queen. I don't even know how to play this.
Oh, okay. If you're afraid of losing,
I'm no loser. It is on.
oh, just earned my stash. Just 2 spaces from being a pretty pageant queen.
The rulebook says you can roll 3 tens at once. You get 3 tens from the judges and an automatic win. Good luck. The odds for such an occurrence would be 1 in 1,720.
You will never beat her at anything.
I know a game I can beat her at. Rolling throw. Remove all the objects from plumbing without touching the side. This looks easy. I'll start by removing the hairball from the shower drain. Uh-oh, you touched the side.
One more buzz and you lose.
Excuse me a second. You want to lose, Lynn?
Okay, now I think it's time. Now you're gonna peel.
She's coming back in.
Yeah, it's perfect consistency. You want to try and make it look like sticky. You want to make it sticky because your slime is going to be very, 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 very bad if it's not sticky. And just peel it off like nothing.
I don't know why I didn't think of this earlier. The A-Savvy trivia game. There's no way she can beat me.
Okay, guys. Whoever answers this last question right wins. Again? What the heck? You haven't gotten a single answer right.
It's not my fault. Lynn keeps getting in my head.
Who is Ace Savvy's sidekick?
Oh, that's so easy.
Oh, is it? Are you sure? It could be a trick question. I'm just saying. Game's running on this. Would sure be a shame if you choked.
Massachusetts.
Even I know this one. It's One-Eye Jack. Correct. I win. Better get out of here before I breathe in too many user fumes.
Sorry, guys. I totally choked.
It's okay, Lincoln. None of us is good enough.
Okay, so this is what you'll have at the end of when you're done.
The settlers of Catland.
It won't be stretchy, but you can always add lotion afterwards. And if you want to make more and more slime, then you can keep on doing this more and more times. And then it'll make it more easier and make it slimier and get a big slime. Thanks for watching, guys. So, and if you miss any, just roll this piece of ball right on it.
This game bites it hard.
Well, I see our time is up. We have
So,
10-way tie for first.
that's how you make slime out of one ingredient with glue. No freezer, no microwave, nothing like that.
Well, that ought to stop Lynn's competitive behavior.
Thanks for watching, guys. If you want to see more videos like this, comment down below. Bye.
He's a glutton